Ghrybeh. Shortbread cookies. A dessert from Israel. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Make the clarified butter if not already prepared. Step 2. Bring butter to room temperature, place in a small bowl and beat with an electric mixer until white and fluffy. Add sugar gradually and beat for another 5 minutes. Step 3. Sift together the mastic and baking soda with 1 cup of the flour and add to the butter mixture and mix well. Add flour as needed until the dough absorb any more. Work it well with your hands and form into a ball. Step 4. Take a piece of dough the size of a walnut, roll between the hands and shape into a mildly curved S, about 4 inches long. Lay on an ungreased baking sheet well apart from each other. Press an almond or a pine nut, optional, cool in the middle in an airtight container. Bake in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven until the bottoms turn lightly golden, about 15 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.